Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a tutorial on how I wrap my hair when it's in a protective style, particularly braids, or I should say twist, I guess. But the reason I'm doing this is because I tend to get bored with the same look, and I've had these twisted, not these, but I've had my hair twisted for like a month now. And also it's getting frizzy, and also this is a great way to preserve your twist even longer, so like you can leave the house with your hair wrapped but it doesn't look like you just walking out in a bonnet, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's super easy. I hope it's helpful. I personally think it's super gorgeous. I see black hijabis do it all the time. I've done this several times. A couple of you guys that I met at the hair show was like, girl, you put me on the head wraps, that's how I start following you. And I had a proud moment. It made me super happy. So yeah, I also have other tutorials on how I wrap my turbans. I've showed you how you can wrap them to conceal like bantu knots if you don't have like the cute bantu knots. And I've also done ones when I show you how I do it with twists and how you can make them super cute and all that je ne sais quoi. But maybe it takes me like, I don't know, like 5-6 minutes to do this in total. So if you have 5 minutes to spare, you can do this. All right. And this was me like going slow because I'm showing you guys. I speed through this obviously when I'm just, you know, wrapping my hair at home. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think that's it. And I hope this tutorial is helpful. And let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright guys, so first I'm starting on my frizzy twist, obviously, and I like to kind of section them, I guess I should say, or whatever. Basically, I like kind of try and put them in the place where I want them to lay when I have my turban on. So I'm just going to wrap this in a low bun, and I like to wrap it using a headband because, you know, this weave is a lot, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just go ahead and wrap that into a bun. Alrighty, now obviously I'm just going to lay my edges back. I really didn't need to do this step, but I like to be extra, so I just went ahead and laid my edges back with a toothbrush and some eco style. Alright, now so I'm putting my undercap on. I will link these below. I buy these in like a 5 or a 10 pack from Amazon. I love them. They are used to like protect your hair so it's not like the scarf or turban, whatever you're using, isn't rubbing up against your hair, creating friction, all that. And it also helps the turban stay on. But yeah, look how cute that she is. My little cutie. Don't know why my shirt was so wrinkled. Alright, now my scarf is just folded into a triangle clearly, and I think the rest of this is self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you watch that, and if I need to pop back in to explain, I will do so. Alright, now after I wrap the two sides, I'm just tying this in a knot at the nape of my neck. That's what helps anchors it, and that is how I like to always wrap my turbans when I'm not using pins. Like I said, I'll link the other videos below showing like different methods, but this is what I like to use whenever I have my hair in like braids or bantu knots or something like that. Alright, so pretty much the rest of this is after I kind of get like my the front of the turban pushed back how I like it. The rest of this is just me zhuzhing it to my liking and laying my edges the way I like them. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this. You can obviously style this or wrap this however you want and just judge it to your liking. You're never gonna wrap your turban the same way twice. So yeah, that's what's going on there, and I will see you guys back in the talking portion. Okay, bye. When we're in too deep, and you and we got history. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, please link it down below. If there's anything that I miss, please, fellowship in the comments and let me know. And follow me on Instagram if you aren't doing so already. And please give this video a like. Girl, I need a snack. She is out of it. Please give this video a like. It helps my channel immensely. And yeah, I think that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. I think it's not even hot in here. Why are you so dramatic? The fan is literally on, which is why my audio is probably trash right now. Ugh, my child. Bye.